I'm going to share two websites with you. The first one is Scope AR. There was also an ask to explain my process. So usually start with a customer download, interview, discuss what they want on their homepage and kind of the scope of the site. And then after that, I actually wireframe, and this is in Sketch. So I did 4 different wireframes here, actually 5, and they're just different ways to lay out the content. This client here has a remote assistance, instruction, authorization, and a knowledge platform. So it's 3 things that they do well. So you'll see that broken through. I don't want to spend too much time on each, but you generally get the idea that we would go through, have a conversation, and they actually picked, I think, this one. I offer to do either 3 comps. Whoops. 3 comps to each wireframe, or we mix and match. We can move stuff around to pick the best homepage. So that's step 1. Then the next step would be the actual designs. And there was a one group liked the charcoal movement, the dark mode, and the other one was more into the white. So what I did is I did one of each, and then a mix. So on that front, this takes too long. There we go. So this is the charcoal one. Make anyone an instant expert. Had a CTA area at the top, and basically remote assistance, work, link, create, and the platform. And then CTA, customer validation, another CTA, blog, trends, and footer. And then from here, the next one is, and I give creative concepts at the top part as well. So part of my background is advertising, marketing, communication. So I think that's what makes for good web design. This is actually a movie that shows what they do, which is augmented reality training. And we'll go to the site and I can show what that means. So then again, video, an alert bar, and similar wireframe, different vibe and font choices and stuff like that. So these are the designs that they looked at. And then last but not least was a mix with a different concept. So this one here, again, CTA is below the nav system, and this is a scroll jack. So as you scroll down, these widgets would turn. They would also get augmented reality laid on top of them, and these words would change. It's the first augmented reality platform, and as you scroll jack, to use industrial instructions, and then it scrolls jacks and to have a remote assistance. Those are their 2 benefits. Put them together, they're the only ones that do it. So that would be a scroll jack to kind of get that across. And then you roll on down into the page, which remote assistance and work instruction in the same session, which is their USP, our unique selling proposition. They actually make software that's drag and drop easy, whereas usually you need a developer to build AR instructions. So that's another benefit. So then it works down through here, and we were going to have videos across here. So it's be a carousel. And that's that. So those are the designs. And I think what I'll do is I'll show you the site. So this is what we built. So again, it shows you get augmented reality and an instruction. We have a lot of strong CTAs. So we go on in. The other part that's kind of nice is the blog. This is where the gray started to show itself. And I will stop there, but you can check the site out. I also built the site, but I'm not sure you're asking for that kind of skill. So that is Scope AR.